I've spent $2,031 in fuel since the day I bought this truck. What is going on today, guys? My name's Alex. Welcome back to the channel. We have another episode of Wednesday Night Shop Talk. And tonight, we're gonna talk about how much I actually paid for this truck. Right here, I have the actual sticker. Then I'll tell you how much I actually paid for this truck, as well as some interesting ownership cost numbers. I'll tell you exactly how much I've spent on this truck in the last 3 months, including fuel, insurance, payments, and all of that fun stuff. So that's what we're talking about tonight. Should be interesting. As they say, we are about to drive this truck off the lot, and the depreciation starts right now, baby. Woo! Damn, I felt that financial hit leaving the dealer. And off the lot we are. This thing isn't worth what I just bought it for. Yes! So, like I said, this is the actual sticker of this beautiful Ram 2500 Power Wagon. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys can actually see all the details here, but what really matters is the total price. $76,530 is the sticker price for this truck as it sits. Now, I actually paid a little bit less than the sticker price or the MSRP value of this Power Wagon, which is a little bit unheard of in the truck market today. I bought this in December of 2021, so this truck was literally brand spanking new. And yeah, I walked away with this truck under the MSRP, which I thought was pretty good. Now, that yellow paper right there, which I would love to show you, but there's all kinds of interesting personal information, which I feel like I should keep off the internet. But it shows how much I actually paid for this truck. And the total cost of this truck was $73,631. So about $3,000 under MSRP value of this truck, which I thought was not a bad deal, given that a lot of people can't even get these trucks and they're still waiting for their orders to come in, you know, months later. Whereas I literally just showed up to the dealer, this truck was on the lot, I told them what I was willing to pay, and they worked with me. So very happy with the purchase, obviously. Now, my out the door price for this truck obviously was a little more with taxes, freight, PDI cost, and all that fun stuff. Admission fees, which is a complete ripoff, but it is what it is. It was $87,500, or just about there. Now, I thought I would talk about the cost of ownership of this truck as well. So I bought this truck in the middle of December, and well, now it's sort of the beginning of April, so just over 3 months, and I wanted to share with you guys exactly how much I've spent in total on this truck. Now, the first thing we'll talk about is fuel. I've spent $2,031 in fuel since the day I bought this truck, and that works out to be about 27 cents per liter, which is not the greatest, but it is a heavy duty truck with the 6.4 Hemi, which is inherently not that fuel efficient, and it's kind of what I expected, so no big surprise there. Fuel is going to be a big expense with this truck. Number two is maintenance. So I've spent $90 on the first oil change, including the oil and the oil filter. Obviously, I'm a mechanic, so I did it myself, as well as I paid $169 to get this truck oil sprayed. For those of you who are not aware, we're living in a northern part of North America. Basically, an oil spray just sprays the underside of the truck with oil. Therefore, the salt and road grime doesn't rust the truck. So that's what that is. Number three expense is insurance. I pay $212 a month in insurance for this truck here. And the total of those 3 months would be $636 for insurance alone on this truck. So for fuel, maintenance, and insurance, I've spent $2,000 $924 in total in my first 3 months owning this truck. Now, the next part of that equation is how much I've paid down on my loan for owning this truck. So like I mentioned earlier, the principal on this truck is $87,500. In the 3 months, I have paid about $1,000 in interest, with the actual number being $1,049 in total interest since I bought this. And my total principal payment on this truck is $7,100 in the last 3 months. If we tally up all those numbers, we get just about $11,000 I've spent in total owning this truck in the last 3 months. Now, that number may seem a little astronomical, and trust me, it is. However, the reason why it's so high is because I've been paying down this truck very rapidly, because I just kind of want to get it paid off as quickly as I can. At this rate, it should be paid off in about 3.5 years, which is not bad at all. And thankfully, the channel has been doing pretty well since I've bought this truck, and that money has helped to pay down the truck significantly, which I am always thankful for. To be honest, I bought this truck as an investment into the future of my YouTube channel. I realized that having a Ram 1500 is a great truck. However, I wanted something a little bit above and beyond that would maybe attract some more attention, and I figured this truck would be exactly what I needed. And obviously I love it. It's always what I wanted. And I kind of bet on myself and bet on the future. And so far it seems to be paying off, and you guys are very supportive, and I'm always thankful for that. And that is the other portion of the equation. So since I've bought this truck in December, my subscriber count has almost doubled. My views have doubled, if not almost tripled, as well as my YouTube income has doubled as well. So at this point, for me, this truck is worth it. And when I talk about my YouTube views and money and all that stuff, I don't say that to brag by any means. My channel is still extremely small, and I am just humbled to even have the opportunity to kind of chase that dream. And that is the main reason why I bought this truck and I spent all that money, is because I felt like I could pursue something I was passionate about, and I think that's priceless at the end of the day. So there's my spiel, and like I said before, I'm just extremely thankful for everyone's support, and hopefully to keep growing and to keep making cool content with this truck. Anyways, I figured a couple of you guys would be interested in knowing the actual cost of this truck in terms of real ownership, insurance costs, fuel costs, maintenance costs, and obviously like payment costs. Now, obviously this is only the first 3 months. I will keep you guys updated in terms of my total costs, and I think maybe at the annual mark or maybe 6-month mark, I'll revisit this and we can have the same discussion. I'll let you guys know exactly how much money I put into this beautiful truck here. Anyways, guys, as always, if you like the video, don't forget to leave that thumbs up. And if you like cool stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to have you guys on board. But enough of me. We'll see you in the next freaking video.